Creating wealth is often thought of as a simple equation: spend less than you earn and invest the rest wisely. But in reality, implementing this idea can be challenging. Many of us find that our own behavior and investment biases can be the biggest obstacles to achieving financial success. Today we'll explore truths about building wealth that really works and ensure that you are able to build wealth over your lifetime. Whether you're just starting out or have been working on your finances for a while, these principles are essential for achieving financial success. However, before we begin, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is released. Now let's get started. 1. Never spend more than what you earn. Spending more than you earn is a surefire way to prevent yourself from beginning the journey of wealth creation. We all have the tendency to indulge in expensive items such as the latest technology, designer clothing, luxury vacations, and more. But these types of conspicuous consumption may not bring any real value to our lives and can severely hinder our ability to save money. In fact, many wealthy individuals live modestly and prioritize saving money over frivolous spending. By being mindful of your spending and minimizing unnecessary expenses, you can also minimize your debt and increase your chances of achieving financial independence. Debt is a double-edged sword, as it can both help and harm your financial well-being. Good debt, such as a home loan or student loan, can be used to acquire assets that appreciate in value and help you build wealth over time. For example, a home loan can help you purchase a property that can increase in value, while a student loan can help you acquire an education that can lead to higher earning potential. On the other hand, bad debt is spending borrowed money on assets that decrease in value over time, such as credit card debt, personal loans for luxury goods, or other non-essential items. This type of debt can quickly spiral out of control, as interest rates on these types of loans are often high, leading to a cycle of debt that can be difficult to break. 2. Understand your motivation for wealth creation. Having a clear and specific target, such as saving for retirement or a new car, can help provide motivation and direction in your wealth-building efforts. This will make it easier to stay focused and motivated, even when progress may seem slow or difficult. Additionally, setting achievable and measurable goals, such as saving a certain amount of money each month or year, can help you track your progress and stay on track. Having a clear motivation for building wealth, such as a specific goal, can help you stay focused and on track. These goals can be diverse, such as saving for retirement, a new car, an educational opportunity, or even supporting a charitable cause. Having a strong and meaningful motivation can help you overcome distractions and stay dedicated to achieving your wealth creation goals. 3. Give your investments sufficient time to grow. Starting early and giving investments enough time to grow is crucial for achieving wealth-building goals. As a young investor, starting small may be all you can afford, but time is on your side. As you age and your financial situation improves, you can gradually build your investment portfolio. However, for older investors, time is not on their side. They may have more money to invest but less time for their investments to grow. This is why it is important to start investing early and stay invested for the long term to ensure your investments have the opportunity to grow and reach your wealth-building goals. Additionally, it's important not to get caught up in short-term speculation. Instead, focus on long-term diversified investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. 4. Know how to implement leverage. Leverage can help you grow your investments faster. Essentially, it means borrowing money to invest in order to amplify the potential returns. However, this strategy also amplifies the potential risks. It can be a powerful tool when used properly, but it requires a good understanding of the investment and the associated risks. It's important to consult with a financial advisor or professional before using leverage in your investment strategy. Leverage refers to using external resources to amplify potential returns and can take various forms such as financial, time, and technology leverage. For example, financial leverage is when professionals like fund managers and banks use other people's money to make money for themselves. Time leverage is when individuals or companies use the expertise of specialists to achieve more than they could on their own. Technology leverage is using technology to automate and streamline processes. Leverage can help you achieve your wealth creation goals faster by utilizing the skills of others. One way to apply leverage is by investing in equities through an equity mutual fund, which allows access to the skills of a professional fund manager to grow wealth. 5. Do not compare your wealth goals to that of peers. Comparing ourselves to others, whether it be in regards to workplace accomplishments or personal wealth, can limit our ability to achieve our own financial goals. It's important to have clearly defined and specific wealth creation goals that take into consideration that these goals may change over time. One way to ensure that you stay on track with your financial targets is to create a comprehensive list of wealth creation goals for the next 5 years. This list should include details such as the specific financial target, a timeline for achieving the goal, a plan for reaching the goal, and a way to reward yourself once the target is reached. 6. Do not take shortcuts to reach your financial goals. As an investor, you have a variety of investment options to choose from. These include traditional options such as mutual funds, ETFs, sovereign gold bonds, and fixed deposits, as well as newer options such as non-fungible tokens, cryptocurrencies, and green technologies. While these new options may be exciting, it's important to remember that they lack the established track record of traditional options. Investing in untested products may not be suitable for retail investors. It's important to be systematic and steady in your investment strategy. Instead of taking shortcuts and aiming to reach your wealth creation goals faster, it's better to stick with tried and tested options with a proven performance history. 7. Never stop learning. Acquiring knowledge about money management and financial products can give you a competitive edge in your wealth creation efforts. In the past, obtaining information on these topics was difficult, but now, with the availability of websites like ET Money, social media, and educational apps, access to information has become much easier. It's important to take advantage of these resources to continuously improve your understanding of key aspects of money management. By making learning about finance a lifelong habit, you will be in a better position to grow your wealth than those who do not prioritize education. 8. Create greater value to generate more wealth. The correlation between value and wealth is a widely acknowledged concept, where the wealth generated is dependent on the value provided. High-level management officials earn more than entry-level employees as they provide more value. Similarly, companies that offer valuable products or services to consumers are valued more highly than those that do not. It's crucial for individuals and companies to consistently provide value in order to increase their wealth. Providing value is key to creating wealth. Individuals who can offer more value than others will be more successful in monetizing their skills and abilities to generate wealth. This applies to any skill or activity, whether it's entertainment, writing, sales, cooking, etc. If you have the ability to do something better than others and can turn it into a monetizable skill, you will have an advantage in your wealth creation journey. That's it for today. If you find our video interesting, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.